Hi guys, this is a guide on how to replace audio inside a video file. You will need this splendid little program. It can do very much but is quite small. Just download one of these or this free one. It's a standalone application, so just extract and run the X file. And yes, link in description. This is what you see when you open the LosslessCut. Now drag your file of interest. We can take a listen to the sound we want to remove. And click on this. Mute the audio file inside like this. Export and the video will be without sound. Now, if you want to use another audio that is edited, or just put in music, do like this. Well, that's about it. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.